How you doing? This is Chris again at Woolly Booger, another edition of what we got going on here. So I'm going to start off with a pre-shave oil. It's a very phenomenal product. I didn't know about it actually until I started working here after, and once they introduced me to it and I found out what the product was and I started using it, it's just a must-have now with every shave that I have. What this product does is, see, when you shave, you actually take a top layer of skin off. This product actually prevents that from happening, and by doing so, you're going to notice less bumps, redness, irritation, etc., if not, any at all. So it just works really good. Plus, it actually extends the life of the blade. It keeps it sharp. It makes that blade go over your skin like butter. So it does a really good job. I'm gonna show you how it's applied. So what you do is, if you can also take a hot rag, put it on your face before, or you can just take some hot water, throw it on your face. You do that before, and then you put your pre-shave oil. Depends on how much you use, but I like to use about half of a little glass vial, and for each side. So, and I do one side at a time, typically, or both sides, or however. But you throw that on there, and what that does is the pre-shave oil locks in that moisture into your skin, because what a lot of people don't know is a lot of time damage is caused by shaving when you shave with dry skin. So that locks in that hydration, that moisture, that wetness, so that you don't, have any issues when it comes to that. And it's also a great product for the ladies as well. So anyways, then you put that on, and after you put that, we'll move on to our suds. We have our shave suds, great flavors, great scents. So I always like to smell when I open it. But anyways, so what you do here is you can either use the tin, or you can use a mug, which works really great. This is the way I use it. And so you take some hot water, you let it sit in here, let it heat up the cream, and then once it heats up the cream, kind of dump some of that water out, and you can take one of our brushes that we have. We have 3 different types of brushes. These are all Badger brushes. This is our standard one, and then our other 2 are just premium silver tips. So you just take your brush, run it on some hot water, and then circle it around back and forth each way, until it suds up. And then once it suds up, then you can just apply it in circles. And the brush actually stands your whiskers up, so you get a cleaner, smoother shave, along with the suds as well. You let the suds sit on your skin for about 30 seconds, and that's actually going to lift the hairs up, so you actually get a cleaner, smoother shave with the suds as well. So it works really good. How you apply it in the bowl is, what I normally do is I take this mug or a bowl, and I fill it up with hot water. I let it sit for a while, because this is a porcelain mug, so what it does is it absorbs the heat very well and evenly distributes around the bowl. So once that heats up, I dump all the water out, and then I go ahead and open my can up, and I just scoop some out, and then I put it on the bottom. I just smear it on the bottom, kind of like butter or something like that. And then once that, I do the same thing with the brush, take some hot water, put it over there, and then I just circle it around, get it nice, and the hot porcelain actually heats up the cream, so you actually get like a warm lather. It's really nice. So that's that, and we'll see you in our next video. Thanks.